guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am super excited because I finally got my box from Morphe, and I ordered the Morphe and Coca-Cola collection. And if you guys don't know, I love Coca-Cola. I'm obsessed with Coca-Cola and I collect Coca-Cola. And as you guys can see, I am wearing a Coca-Cola shirt because I love Coca-Cola, and I feel like this shirt is perfect for this video because I will be doing a unboxing of the Coca-Cola collection. But I always wear Coca-Cola shirts, so it's not just because of today. So before I begin, I want to thank my friend Miss Marvelous because she tagged me in the Morphe's Twitter post where they showed this collection, and if it wasn't because of her, I wouldn't have seen it because I don't really follow Morphe. But I mean, now I do because they have this beautiful collection. So yeah, and also thank you to everyone else who tagged me afterwards because I'm really happy that everyone knows that I love Coca-Cola. So yeah. So anyways, let's unbox this box right here. So I didn't order the whole collection because I don't really use beauty blenders or highlighters, loose highlighters, so you guys will see what I ordered right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It's nicely bubble wrapped, so I'm super excited for this. Okay, so I was about to not order this collection from the Morphe website because a lot of people kept telling me that it took them about 2 months to receive their order, and I didn't want that to happen to me. But then I just decided to order it, and I was hoping it got here early, and it did. I actually ordered it on Thursday and today is Saturday, so it only took 2 days to get here, so I'm super excited. I ordered this on June 18 and today is June 20. So yeah, anyways, enough of that. So here is the items. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited, you guys. So I ordered the brushes, and it comes in this beautiful Coca-Cola case. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm not gonna want to use it, but I will. So this is what it looks like. So this brush set retails for $29, but I got it for $26. And I used the coupon code, that's why I got it for cheaper. And this is what the back looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. I'm going to be using this for my school pencils if we ever go back to school. And inside it has tissue paper, and inside it has the beautiful brushes. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So it comes with 7 brushes, and they look so freaking pretty. Okay, I'm so freaking excited for this, you guys. I've been wanting brushes with a Coca-Cola logo for the longest time because I'm obsessed with Coca-Cola, like I said before, and I just want everything to say Coca-Cola. So here are the brushes. They do come with the plastics. So I'm going to be getting them all out to show you guys. If I didn't use makeup, I would have just got the brushes just to have them as a collection piece. Oh, and ignore my nails. I just dyed my hair this morning. Like, I retouched the red. That's why it's dark again. So anyways, oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. I'm so freaking obsessed with these, you guys. Look at that. They all say Coca-Cola. Oh, they're backwards. So there you go. They all say Coca-Cola. I'm obsessed, you guys. You guys have no idea. So that's what they look like. So the collection includes a Glowing Places highlighter brush, High Life brush, Made in the Shade brush, Top Secret camouflage brush, Take Charge blending brush, Next Move transition brush, Awe and smudge brush, Sweep It Real brush, and the Sweep It Real brush bag. So anyways, I really love the red handles with a black, and I just think it's really pretty, and they feel super soft. And I believe these are synthetic brushes. Normally I wouldn't use them because they're like a collection thing for me, but I'm trying to use everything that I own, even if it's Coca-Cola and I collect it. So I will be using these with an eyeshadow palette today. It's going to be in a separate video though. So yeah, I'm so freaking happy that I got this, you guys. I can't. I'm so happy. Okay, let's see. The next product in this box are lip glosses. So I decided to get the lip collection And this is a Lip in the Moment 4-piece lip collection. And this is what it looks like. They're super pretty, and it says, speak your mind with your 4 super shiny, never sticky lippies that are always down for a little adventure.
Adventures.
Gosh, I don't want to get them out of the box, but I will. I will use everything. And this is what they look like. They're really cute and they're small, so they will fit perfect in your purse. So this white one right here, it's called Overflow, and I'm going to open it up. It smells like Sprite or vanilla, but it smells really good. I'm going to swatch it. That's what it looks like. It's just a clear gloss, and it does have shimmers, so I'm super excited for this. And before the video ends, I will try one on. So this next gloss is called Share, and it is like a really light pink, like a nude pink, and it looks super pretty. I'm going to open it up and swatch it as well. It smells really good as well. It kind of smells like strawberry. I'm not sure if it's supposed to smell like strawberry or Coke. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. It's a really light pink, so I'm super excited for this. And you know what? Okay, I think I'm going to try on this lip gloss right now. I do have a lip liner, but I'm just going to go over it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's a really pretty pink, and I like it. It doesn't feel sticky at all, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, so now the next lip gloss is this red one right here. It looks super pretty, and it is called Classic Babe. And let me swatch it. This one smells like Coke. Ooh, that's really pretty. I actually didn't expect them to be this pigmented, so I'm really excited for this. Look at that. Whoa. I'm really happy that I got the lip glosses. Okay, and the last one, it's called Taste Maker, and it's this like brownie shimmery gloss. So let's check it out. It smells like Coke as well, and it looks brown on the applicator. So let's see how it looks on the swatch. So it does have like a brown tint. So I'm not sure if I'm going to like this gloss on my lips, but maybe it will look different once I apply it on my lips. But we'll see. I'll try it on later. And this lip collection retails for $19, but I got it for $17. Oh, and the coupon code that I used is Nicole. That's the one that the Honey app chose for me. Okay, now this one I am the most excited about, and it is a Coca-Cola and Morphe eyeshadow palette, and it comes in this beautiful package with a Coca-Cola logo, and I'm just so freaking excited. I don't even want to open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, but I will open it and I will use it. I don't want it to go to waste. So here it is. It's so freaking pretty. This palette retails for $22, and I got it for $19.80. So let's check it out. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty.
I'm obsessed.
So let's take a look inside. It looks so much prettier in real life than what it looks like in pictures. So it does come with a nice mirror, as you guys can see. And here are the shades. They look so pretty. It does have a lot of neutral shades, which I don't really like, but it is a Coca-Cola palette, so I had to get it, and I will use the brown shades only because it is the Coca-Cola palette. But anyways, the names are not on the palette. It does have this little plastic thing. I wish the names were under, but it's okay, I guess. But look at those beautiful shades. I can't wait to use the reds and the blues. It does come with 2 pressed glitters. This one right here and this one right here, which kind of sucks. I wish they weren't pressed glitters because they're not eye safe, but I'll try to make it safe enough. But anyways, I'm really excited for this palette and I can't wait to use it. Today I'm only going to be doing the swatches so you guys could see, and in my next video it is going to be an eye look so you guys could see if I like it or not. And yeah, so let's get to the swatches so you guys could see them already. So I'm about to show you guys the swatches, and as you guys can tell, I am obsessed with Coca-Cola. This is a towel that they gave me when I went to Six Flags, and I'm sorry if you guys could hear the fan. It's like really hot here. Okay, so I'm going to begin with this shade right here, which is called Fizz, and this is a shimmer and it looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. This shade is called Bubble Up, and it's really smooth. So it's just like a white base or like nude, I don't know, like a light pink. And this one is called Recognized. I can't pronounce it, you guys, but it's like a tan shade. And once again, I'm sorry about my fingers. This shade is called The Real Thing, and it's like a brown one. And they are so smooth. This is Awaken. This is Name Drop. This one is called Open Up. It's a really pretty shade. This one is called Cool Story. That's a horrible swatch. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love that blue. This one is called Always Bright. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa, super pigmented. This one is called Good in Red. That's really pretty. And I love red. So I can't wait to try these out, you guys. They're so pretty. This one is called Pop Culture, and this is a pressed glitter. It looks really pretty. I just wish it wasn't a pressed glitter. And this one is called Add Life, and it's just a regular shimmer, and it feels really nice. So that's the first two rows. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit in the other shades unless I do it right here. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I'll just do them right here. So this is the other pressed glitter, and it's called Happiness. And this one reminds me of the can. Look at that, it's really pretty. I just wish there wasn't a pressed glitter. And this one is called Can Do. It's really pretty. It's like a gray, I don't know. It looks like the can as well. It looks super cool. I'm sorry my veins gross you out, you guys. They're really bright. So anyways, this one is called Move It. It's really pretty. This one is called All the Feels. And this one is called Energetic. I feel like the name doesn't match the color. It's like a mix of burgundy and brown. And the last one is called Refreshing. Oh my gosh, I just dipped my nail in there, you guys. Are you kidding me? Okay, anyways, this is the last shade. Sorry that swatch is really skinny. So here are all of the swatches. Hopefully you guys could see them all. They're really pretty, and I'm so happy that I got this palette, you guys. It actually took me like 20 minutes to decide if I actually wanted to swatch this palette because I didn't want to ruin it. And now I ruined it more because I ended up putting my nail in there. At least it was just the brown one and not the red one. Oh well, it's not that bad anymore. So anyways, those were the swatches, and here they are again if you guys wanted to see them. So even though I'm not a big fan of the browns, I'm really happy that I got this palette because I love Coca-Cola, and no matter what Coca-Cola makes, I'm always going to get it. So yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing video, and if you guys want to see the looks that I create with this palette, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. And yeah, anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.